Take off your disguise.
Zeus, we must act now.
He's not going to make it. He doesn't have the key.
You know what? Then we'll stop him ourselves.
This is a secret place. The god Butcher could use you to find us. So now you must stay.
I'm perishing!
Zeus! That's the sound of lightning. Corgi! Oh,
Here I am!
Corgi! You're alive! Corgi, listen. I need you to call the goats.
I'll do my best.
Guard him with your life.
I will. Now you got my 6.
8 o'clock, Val. On Korg, pierce those lips.